Hi students, welcome to puzzle number 46. So in this puzzle, we are going to see what is the number that is going to come in this particular series. If you observe this series, the first two numbers, that is 1 and 3, the difference is 2. As you can see here, the difference between 1 and 3 is 2. Similarly, the next difference between 3 and 6 is 3. Next, the difference between 6 and 10 is 4. That means from 2 to 3 there is a difference 1, then next it is becoming 4, then it should be 5. Let's see, the difference between 10 and 15 is 5. That means again the difference is 1. So to find the number for this question mark, so the next difference should be 6, because if I add 1 it is becoming 6. So 6 I need to add to this 15 so that I'll get the number in place of 15. Let us add 15 plus 6, so it will be 21. So 21 is the correct answer. 21 is the correct answer. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment the answer for the puzzle which I am going to give you to solve from your end. Let us see the puzzle I will give you for you guys to solve. So this is the puzzle. Try it with yourself. Let me know in the comment section what is the answer for this particular puzzle. So comment your answer for this puzzle. This is a puzzle for you guys to solve, and I'll be explaining the solution in the next video, that is in puzzle number 47. So subscribe to the channel to get daily videos. Thanks for watching.